Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home and kitchen gadgets. Today, we're talking about the best Crock-Pot electric lunchbox portable food warmer. A must-have for anyone on the go who loves a warm meal anytime, anywhere. If you're tired of cold lunches at work or school, or you need something portable to keep your meals warm during travel, this product is here to solve that problem. The Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox is a 20-ounce food warmer that's perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone who needs a convenient solution to enjoy hot meals while they're out and about. It's compact, yet it's spacious enough to fit a full serving of your favorite dishes like soups, stews, or leftovers. The elegant moonshine green design gives it a sleek, modern look, making it not only functional but stylish too. One of the standout features of this food warmer is its spill-proof design. Thanks to the tight closing lid, you can confidently carry it in your bag without worrying about spills or leaks. Whether you're commuting to work, heading to school, or traveling, this lunchbox ensures that your food stays secure and mess-free. Convenience is key with this Crock-Pot food warmer. It comes with a detachable cord, so you can easily store it when not in use. The inner container is removable, making it super easy to clean after a long day. Plus, both the inner container and lid are dishwasher safe, which takes the hassle out of cleanup and keeps your lunchbox looking new for longer. The portability of this product makes it even more impressive. It's designed with a built-in handle, so you can carry it around effortlessly, whether you're in the office or out running errands. Plus, it's small enough to fit into most bags, so you don't have to worry about extra bulk. This portable food warmer is also incredibly easy to use. Just plug it in, and within minutes, your food is warmed and ready to eat. No need to hunt for a microwave or waste time waiting for your food to reheat. Whether you're enjoying a warm homemade lunch or reheating leftovers, the Crock-Pot electric lunchbox ensures that your food stays warm and delicious until you're ready to eat. And let's not forget about its versatility. It's great for keeping food warm, but it can also be used to reheat a variety of meals. From pasta and rice to chili and stew, this lunchbox handles it all. Its 20-ounce capacity is ideal for individual servings, making it perfect for personal meals. So, if you're someone who values convenience, quality, and functionality, this Crock-Pot portable electric lunchbox food warmer is the perfect addition to your daily routine. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone always on the move, this product makes sure you never have to settle for cold meals again. Check it out today and experience the ultimate in portable meal warmth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the best products for your home and kitchen.